Hello Disney family, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I am so glad that you've chosen to stop by. Today we are going to be talking about a wedding shower that I threw for one of my very best friends. You guys have seen, I have done nursery reveals, I have done baby showers, but one of my very best friends got married, and before she got married, obviously we threw her a wedding shower that was themed happily ever after. So I wanted to share that footage with you. I didn't get as much as I had hoped just because the day was very hectic. You guys know I have two little girls and they were taking up a lot of my time, so I wasn't able to get the camera out as much as I wanted to. So I'm going to show you what I do have and enjoy.
Okay, so I kind of just wanted to show you what we're doing right now. These are the signs for the actual food tomorrow. We've got Who's Its and What's Its for cheese and crackers. Slimy yet satisfying shooters. We're kind of stretching this one because it's like a princess happily ever after themed. But you know what? Nala and Simba are king and queen, and they were princes and princesses. Tiana's tiara toast, which is like an avocado toast in the shape of tiaras. And then I still have a few more to do. And then Leanne is packing up the car right now, but I just wanted to show you this that she worked really hard on, and it's so stinking cute.
Oh wait, that's the same one.
So it's this, and then this one, and this is for the, the Life is the Bubbles bubbly bar, which are, I love that name. And then, so this is just kind of all the different stuff that we're packing up. And then we've got like silverware, and we're using my brother's house to do this. And then we also have this. And I don't know if I mentioned, but the theme is happily ever after. And I was going to show you this. You may recognize this. It's got a similar theme to, I did Wendy's Kisses for the Peter Pan baby shower that we threw. If you don't know what that is, I will link it up here in the corner. But here is, so True Love's Kisses, like a little Starbucks gift card, and then just some Hershey Kisses in there. I just love this idea, and it's so easy to use. As for these two games, so we've got Match the Disney Couples, and then it's got a bunch of couples. Basically, first person who finishes will get one of those. And then there's this one, which is Match the Disney Songs to the movie. If you guys want to download them, let me know. I will link the stuff in the description box.
And go. And
Yay! I got it! Yay!
So I hope you guys enjoyed that little shower type vlog. I know it was really short, but I hope you got kind of the general idea that we did. It was super fun. Of course, if you have any questions, you can always send me a comment down below. I am very responsive. Or you can send me a message. I am happy to answer that way. And if you enjoyed it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't joined my Disney family, I would love to see you back here. Go ahead and hit that little red subscribe button. And if you've already joined my Disney family and you want to know when new videos are going up, go ahead and hit that little alarm bell down below. And as always, I hope to make your trip just a little more magical. See you guys real soon. Bye.